Good morning and welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is Toby Preacher from Indie-Games.dev, and I want to give you a quick update on what's going on. And therefore, I hit play in my game, Oh My Zombie, the game where you are the zombie. And I want to show you what I'm working on, and that is especially the crafting system, inventory system, drag and drop. So you can see I can drag and drop stuff around here. I can drag it over there. I can pick that stuff and duplicate it here. I can drag it back here, and you can see that there are weird things happening. Weird bugs. I can duplicate. I'm keeping the copy of this one over there, and then some of them who are in here are getting replaced. And look at that, I can spam my whole inventory here, and this is just a nightmare. And I am working on this for so long now. It's 3 weeks in a row now, and as much as I love the tutorials from Unity Code Monkey, which are really good and really structured, and he has 3 tutorials on how to build a crafting system, how to build a equipment system, how to build a drag and drop system, and I was following along with these, but then I found out that there is a huge part is completely missing, and there are some things used like look at that. Look, I can't even remove those things. Look, and if I want to add more of them into the inventory menu, it is a total crap. So I was trying to figure these things out, and I was guessing what are the things that I'm doing wrong, what are the parts that I'm missing, and I'm ending up in getting it more complicated, more chaos. It is horrific. So I sat down and thought about how I could find something else, and I was searching for online tutorials who could be similar, or at least cover the inventory system, the crafting system, the drag and drop, and the equip system, and there is no free tutorial that covers it all. And so I was thinking I will do my own tutorial. I have some, wait, I will show you this. Can you see that? So I'm painting here what I want to do, and it's gonna be a crafting menu that is pretty much heavily inspired from the forest, and I want to have my equip system down here, crafting system, and inventory system, and one thing up here. And so I was doing some planning, what kind of classes I need, and you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes for the logic code, and then I have 4 classes for the UI handling, because you always want to separate logic code and UI code. And then I'm writing down some stuff how I want to structure it all. And what is very important to me is that if I drag and drop things around in the UI, nothing happens on the inventory and to the item itself. Because what I found out, many guys are doing stuff like, okay, I drag and drop an item from the crafting system over to the inventory system. Then they go ahead and delete the item from the inventory system. They reinstantiate it in the crafting system, and so you have potentially 2 copies of the same item. And this is the point where weird glitches are going to happen, and this is the part where players are going to take advantage of these glitches and will find ways how to duplicate items. And we've seen this many times in the video games industry, and so the best practice is not to do that. So I'm trying to lay out my whole code in a way that the UI actions, the drag and dropping, is only affecting the visuals on the UI, but it is never ever affecting my item list in my inventory where all the items are stored. And the only part where I want to delete an item from the item list is when I spawn it into the game world. Then it will get removed from the inventory. Or if I craft a new item and therefore I use 2 other items, so the items that I used will be deleted, and in the same second the new item will be created. So these 2 scenarios are the only scenarios where I will make any changes to the existing items in my inventory. So I'm laying this out, I'm working on it, and this will take me a lot of days. I know it may be weeks, but I really want to do my own crafting system, inventory system, drag and drop system, and equipment system. And then I really want to do a tutorial series where it is easy to understand, where you have it structured and laid out well, point after point after point, and then you can access it and you can build your own inventory system out of that. So this is what I'm planning to do. Lots of stuff to do. Let's get it done. Let me know what you think about it. Write it down in the comments. Have you been struggling with something like that in the past? Or which kind of inventory system are you using? Do you have all these 4 elements: inventory, crafting, equipment, and drag and drop? Then let me know down in the comments. Also hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, then subscribe now. There will be awesome videos in the future. And so far so good. This is my quick update on what I'm doing. I'm sorry that I have not so much entertaining stuff at the moment, but this is really important to me to make a clean system that is really working well, and I will share it with you. I will show you how I will do it, and so you can learn from it, and I learn a lot of that stuff. So thank you very much for your support, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Until then, stay awesome, stay safe, stay happy and healthy. My name is Toby Preacher. I'm out of here.